Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Omega. Stay tuned. So now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Omega works, and I will be showing you inside of the members area so you will get to see a sneak peek of what's inside the content so you will know what to expect when you decide to purchase this product. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses to those of you who are sticking around to watch my review video of this new product launch. Now these bonuses, by the way, are super valuable, that it will benefit you in the long run because it has wealth of information that are very helpful for you to learn some of the techniques of how to scale up your online business without wasting any more time. So anyway, let's cut to the chase, and I'm going to give you a run through of what the Omega methods are. So basically, to put it briefly, Omega is a mobile traffic app that gets you unlimited free traffic buyers. And inside this program, you'll be able to browse deals from Warrior Plus, and it lets you see the sales page and get the deals at the same time. And you can also browse for Jzoo deals as well, and both are the same marketplace for digital products where you can retrieve your affiliate links, so you can use these offers for your marketing offers. And it also lets you create all kinds of templates for your campaigns, for your promotional offers in the members area. So I'll be showing that to you in just a moment after I explain to you what Omega can offer you with this program. Then after that, you can do a Telegram automation, what you've created. So that's pretty much it. So basically, when you log into the members area, you can check out and see what are the deals in Warrior Plus and Jzoo, and then you can start creating your campaigns and then just send a Telegram automation, and then you're good to go. Now it's got on top of that, it's got the traffic sources that are available for you to use inside the members area, and it's got millions of responsive buyers with this method. And it's the first to market software, and it's a one-click video builder that's also part in the members area, and it also has hundreds of proven templates that you can choose from. So you can select the desired templates that I will be showing you in just a moment. And then it also has tutorials, case studies for you to check out so that you get to see what are the available tutorials and also case studies that shows that this is a proven method. And if you have any questions about anything about this program, they do have a live support that is available for you to answer any of the questions or any of your questions. And this is a totally unique and fresh product that basically which will practically sell itself, and all you need to do is queue up the emails, and then you enjoy the commissions. And while they do all the deploying, while they do the retargeting part of this program, follow-up emails and other tactics, just to ensure that this is one of your best promos for this year 2021. And I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now this program Omega is a drive traffic to any link from a Telegram, and then again it is also a one-click video builder where all you gotta do is just click, and then you can create your video for your affiliate offers, and you can tap into over 500 million visitors using the traffic methods that they provide in this program. And if you take a look at the features that I'm going to be showing you later, it is a lot of things that you can check out. You can pretty much customize the way you want for your campaigns. And it's user-friendly and beginner-friendly, so you don't need to have the skill to be able to work on this. And you can pretty much convert traffic into earning commissions with this method. I'll guarantee you that, because of case studies that you'll see for this program, that it does work. And this platform pretty much lets you create all your campaigns for your affiliate links here. It's faster than ever before, because especially you can find with the program here, it does provide a Warrior Plus and Jzoo finding the deals over there, so that you can go ahead and start finding the deals in this program, other than trying to find it manually for yourself. Now, everything in this program is simple and so easy to use that anyone can pretty much use this method and use this program. You don't have to have a prior experience in order for you to use this product. Now on to the members area. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Omega. So as you can see here, this is the main platform and the whole dashboard pretty much of this program. So right now I clicked on Warrior Plus deals and then it took me here. So this is where you can go ahead and find deals for Warrior Plus products that they promote in each dates that they have here. Whatever is scheduled on the current date, it's gonna actually show over here in this side, and these are all the products from Warrior Plus, whatever that has launched on the date that's been featured here. Here's where you can access the sales page, and over here is where you can grab deals. Now same thing with Jzoo as well. So click on Jzoo deals, and also it's gonna take you here as well. So for all of you who are Jzoo users, for promoting your affiliate links with these products in Jzoo, then you can go over here. Same thing with Warrior Plus, and it's pretty much the same thing, except it's been separated differently so that you can distinguish which ones the vendor or the marketplace product that you'd like to promote, the products that has been released during the current date. And it also will tell you all the details so that you get to understand the product that you are promoting. And as you can see here, it'll give you this detailed information of this specific product. So as you can see here, it's gonna go release on the 12th, which has been passed, and it'll tell you this is closing very soon. So you know, it's good that they will give you all this short information so that you'll know if you wanna skip this product and then just move on to whatever is coming up or whatever is the current date with the product that's been promoting. And here's the sales page again, and here's where you can grab the deals. Here is where you can do your creating your campaigns. Here, as you can see, this is where you can design your templates. You can choose however that you like for your templates that you can select. So let's see, let's pick this one because I like the look of it. So you click on each of the templates that you like, and here is where you can enter your website if you have one, or whatever website that you'd like to put here. It could be your YouTube channel, YouTube video that you're promoting with the product that you want to promote. Here is the video creator that I have mentioned to you earlier. All you gotta do is select which template of videos that you'd like to use, and let's say if we use that one, you're about to add a video to Canvas, hit continue. Then you select an action you want to intent and replace, you know, just asking you to acknowledge, replace the over here. You're gonna see here in this canvas, and as you can see, it changed whatever that you want to replace onto the template that you want to use. You can pretty much customize however you want. And over here you click on the letterings. You can change it to bold, italics, however that you'd like to customize the fonts that you can put here. As you can see here, you just click on each font. You can move it around as you want. So as you can see here, put it here if you like, or make it smaller like that so you can fit it here. Here are the images you can add over here. So let me unclick that part there, or maybe replace this one. Replace it however you want. You can pretty much adjust the picture and so on. Okay, copy, delete, however you want to edit the image of your choice. You can make it look straight just like that. There you go. A lot of things here that you can choose, and these are all high quality images, as you can see here. These are really high quality images, and it's pretty cool that you put it in the templates that you'd like to enter here. You can also upload your pictures, add text, elements, audios, and so on. And once you like what the template that you created is what you like, all you gotta do is save or download. Download is when you're trying to keep your template into your My Documents. So let's say we save it. So now we saved it, and let's go back to the main dashboard. And then over here is where you can find downloads. You can download these templates if you like. So if you're interested in downloading this, then just, or edit this one, then go ahead, edit, add some images of your preferred choice. And this was the one that I saved earlier. So this is where you can access to the template that you created from here. Once you hit save, it's going to show up in this part here. This is the one that I created earlier. Here is where you can do the Telegram automation here. So search replies, new reply, affiliate marketing. If you're into affiliate marketing, email marketing, here are some of the informations that you can check out. It's got the channel and groups, subscribers, history, phone numbers, email address, audit logs, and so on. Here is the social share. Now over here is, this is where you can share your link to multiple social medias. So all of the social medias are all in here that you can share all your promotions in here. And this is your traffic part of this program here. So these have, especially Facebook's get free traffic, Twitter, Pinterest have a lot of free traffic, and WhatsApp, Tumblr, Reddit too is pretty good, LinkedIn, all this stuff in here. You can take advantage and share all your promotional campaign right into all this social media that's available over here. And then that's pretty much it. This is what Omega looks like. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Omega, this is going to go live on August 14th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these gold buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which is going to look like this. And once you click on that button here, over here is this pop-up message is going to pop up. So you're going to have to wait for this pop-up message to come up so you can get discount for this program here. Now you click over here to claim your $5 discount, and then it's going to take you to the click to get started, and that's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivers to you. All you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here, and then just scroll down and then just click on any of these gold buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page, is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about these products here or the bonuses specifically, you can find my Facebook page over here. Just go ahead and follow me onto my page. Then you can send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge. Even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video, is only going to be one-time price of $17. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So right over here is where you can access the available upgrades for this product. Just click on the link down below in the description of my video here and just scroll down and you will find this part here of the upgrades, and feel free to read all the available upgrades in this part of my bonus page here, so you can get a idea and read through the available upgrades that's available for you to check out. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of my video to purchase Omega, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. Now, make sure to click the link down below in the description of my videos. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, where you can find that down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. And remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Omega. Now, once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch. And it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 17th. So make sure to look up for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is a one-time price of $17. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Omega review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video, and then make sure to click the link below to purchase Omega at the discounted price. And then also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.